Cienīts kungs vai kundze, jums rakstu es, princese no valsts, kurā ziloņi ir svētāki par cilvēkiem, kur ļoti skaista daba, bet manu sirdi sadragājušas ir skumjas.
Lobi savu ādu, mizo manu mizu, koca manu gabals, pļauj savu sēklu, min manu muguru, liec savu galvu, plēs manu valēnu, glaudi savu spalvu, ļauj augt. Cik, ri, brauc četras raganas, ratatatatatatatata.
Bālasimies visu nakti, Jančuk! Sauksim pa sadarbību demogrāfijas uzlabošanai. Bet vai man dieniņ, tu tik man širds neapšmuce, te nekāds ņogs nemetāsies.
Es krītu, pasaulē aizlavies, pa caurumiņu, bērnības šortu kabatā, garam šaubu nodevību un nosacījumu sietam.
Jums izvirzīta apsūdzība meitu ģēģeris. Lūdzu, sakiet savu aizstāvības runu.
Lemon notes, dew fresh overtones, imagine this and just try to inhale with me. Welcome back, President Trump.
Hei, Bill, spēlē ģitāru, tas īstais Šreks. Hei, Bill, mauc dzeļu. Kur Donkey? Man viss patīk. Visi, jēj. Замещанский пошлый быт, ковролин и керамзит, заикеевские пледы и за чайник, что кипит. И за то, чтоб их победы не убили тех, кто спит.
And yet, I almost crumbled as I undressed the mantle wrapped for centuries around my core, the galore of chore, learning to love myself as if disposing of layers in me wouldn't lead my soul astray. I know we've been trained to camouflage our pre-Columbian savage rage, but none could strip the thick-skinned warrior out of me on or off this stage. Bring the confetti, passion still sharp like mi bisabuela's machete.
Mani sauc Dita, zvanījums no lielākā mēdīja Latvijā. Es solu piedāvājumu ar mērķu auditoriju lēnu un gausu, tādu, kas katru rītu san vienā radiostacijā, ko iekļaut mēdīju miksā.
I talked a lot about going clubbing. I did a lot of research, a lot of what to knows before you actually go, because it's not just, I'm gonna go clubbing. No, you have to prepare yourself for scrutinizing looks and ruthless rejections being pointed into the direction of the walk of shame, which is the name of the lane where those go who didn't get into this club called Berghain in the heart of Berlin.
I do occasionally write haikus and long poems as well. Sensitive poems, experimental poems, powerful poems that can solve conflicts and end wars. It's just that I haven't found any wars to fit the poems. And this makes me sad. I know that common people also feel sadness, but I write poems about it. And I write poems about love and poems about my travels to Riga. And poems about shopping and poems about loneliness once my friends stopped inviting me to hang out because I am a poet. A poet to my we're all lonely at the top. And loneliness is like a tree. And a lake is like a river. And the world is like a number. If you write it, for example, with the number 7. Such is life if you be a poet. If a poet you be, of course, some simple soul may now say about this poem, my thoughts exactly. I might have written this myself, but you didn't, did you? Maybe in your next life, when you too can say that I am a poet am I.